All right, this is your Lincoln power stack. So you have your main power source up here, your R450. You have an advanced module here for running the TIG. And then this is a CoolArc 55, so this is for cooling the welding torch. That's pretty much it. This is the tip TIG setup. You have the tip TIG box here, the power source for the tip TIG. This gives you hot wire, so essentially 80 amps will run through the welding wire once the arc is initiated. Helps melt the weld metal a little easier. Then we also have up here the tip TIG box. So it's essentially just drive roll system like any other feeder. It also has an oscillation function that agitates the puddle, so you'll hear it shaking. That's normal, nothing to be alarmed about, but you'll hear it shake and move. That feeds the wire all the way through the main liner until it gets to the torch. So it's the SWR arm. This is the HMI, the human machine interface. So this is where you're gonna do all of your setting of your recipes. You're gonna watch your videos. Essentially everything before you weld and after you weld will be done on here. We also have the pendant. So this pendant is while we're welding. So all the functions are controlled by this. We have a joystick for up, down, left, right. We have our positioner speed. We have our wire feed speed, and we have our weave width. We also have root save levels. So this can go -3, so 3 levels this way or 3 levels this way, depending on a wider gap or a narrower gap. It'll change all functions with one push of a button. We have start, we have stop, an e-stop. We have a reset alarms, dwell function. This here function here is jog wire, repeat pass, and root save. And this one here is next pass. So that's all the functions we have control of while welding. Okay, the horizontal arm. So we have our vertical and horizontal pneumatic controls. So vertical will release the vertical brake. You can go up and down. And horizontal, you can go side to side. We have an e-stop here. And then we come down here, we have the TIG torch. This is the wire feeding here. TIG torch, tungsten, call it just like a regular standard TIG torch. And then we have our camera and a laser here for our distance control tracking. That's pretty much it for the horizontal arm. Okay, so it's the HMI. We're gonna set everything before welding. So you have 4 main pages: home page, monitoring page, Novi page, and alarms. So essentially, home page, we're gonna set up to weld. You're gonna put your weld ID in, your job ID, spool ID, weld ID. Then you're gonna select your recipe. So for example, a 4-inch stainless steel, SKED 40, 2-pass, 2-layer. We set that, and then we load it. Once it's loaded, we can review it, make any changes we want to change to anything. Let's have transit options with secondary functions like continuous mode, root save, tack fusion, and our monitoring page will lay out all the welding parameters. So what pass we're on, size of pipe, schedule, your amperage, your weld mode, and then all your motion parameters, positioner speed, weave amplitude, frequency, dwell, and so on. You can also see your every weld that you do gets recorded. So every time you weld, you get a weld recorded. You can come back, see what went well. If something didn't go well, you can see what didn't go well. If you have a weld failure, you can come back and see exactly what happened. So that'll record the whole weld, labels it, easy to come back and check on it. You also have a daily operations report. So this, you can come in for the day we welded. You can see how much we welded, how many diameter inches we did, how many factor diameter inches. You can see what material we welded, what sizes we welded, who welded it, what time, how long it took them, and so on and so on. That's pretty much on that.